Mosquitoes take us into the break.
KFBK, Sacramento's news radio, everywhere on the iHeartRadio app.
center that David Marler is spearheading. We've got a link on our Coast to Coast AM website. And also, if you want to find out more about how to order a copy of Estimate of the Situation, this excellent graphic novel, comic treatment of the historical UFO studies from the late 40s on. We've got that link on our website as well. We'll come back and get to as many of your comments as we can for our next segment of Coast to Coast AM.
Consumer Cellular is the most trusted wireless brand, and they've been providing superior nationwide coverage for more than 25 years. Switch today and save up to half on your wireless bill. They offer unlimited talk and text with flexible data plans starting at just $20 a month. Their award-winning customer service team makes switching easy. You can keep your phone and number, and activation is free. Plus, you can add a family member to your plan for just $15 a month per line. Never worry about dropped calls, because Consumer Cellular has the exact same coverage as the major carriers, with coverage to over 99% of the nation. And this is all backed by their 100% risk-free guarantee. Also, with Consumer Cellular, you can save up to $250 a year. Go to consumercellular.com/Nori, and for a limited time, get $25 off your wireless bill when you use promo code Nori. That's consumercellular.com/Nori, and use promo code Nori for $25 off.
Maxwell, he was a runaway, the rescue, great disposition. About 9 years ago, he was scratching a lot, and he started losing some hair. My vet, she said, oh, he must be allergic to the chicken. Another vet said, it's the grain. Third vet, she says it's the weather, something in the air. And then somebody said, INOVITE.com. I have been listening to the Dynamite Pads, hearing different stories of different people, and it just clicked. I got my first 90 days.